Hello friends. Today we have a phone on a 9 Lite for repair. You can see the full name on the screen now. This phone has a broken back cover and a broken display module. They sat on the phone. As you can see, it is curved. I bought the display module together with the frame because it was curved on the old one. I will not be installing the original display. Unfortunately, there is no original for this phone. We take out the SIM card and get to work. I see that the seal is broken, which indicates that the phone has already been repaired. The screw on top is smaller. Don't mix them up. To test the new module, I need a power button. It looks like I should do this under a microscope, because it's not very clear how the cable is glued. There is a metal plate at the bottom of the cable. You can't see it without a microscope and you can damage the cable. Remove the cable together with the plate. Unfortunately, the client cannot remember the password for the phone. I checked the touch screen on the locked phone as best I could. Everything seems to be fine. Of course, for a full diagnosis, you need to go into the phone, but the client said at his own risk what to do, and the password will be remembered a little later. I also discovered that the screws from the old module do not fit the new one. Other screws are needed because I am not installing an original spare part. I will have to look for larger screws. On the original module, all the holes for screws are larger. You will have to find larger screws or not screw them in at all. There is no honor inscription on the new display. Now it remains to glue the back cover. The cover already comes with double-sided tape, but I don't know how good it is. So I will also add glue when installing the back cover. Done. I connected the cable and re-glued the plastic holder for the camera and flash, as well as the fingerprint. Now everything is ready to glue. Let's do it. Because of the bent case, the battery also bent, so to press the cover more firmly I will use rubber bands. As you can see, everything is ready. Unfortunately, I can't check the touchscreen perfectly, but everything seems to be fine and working. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. See you in the next videos.